Hi everyone, this is Lynette and I am getting ready to create layers into my client's hair. What I'm doing is I'm using vertical lines and I'm cutting her hair at a 90-degree elevation, meaning that I'm just cutting her hair straight out at a 90-degree and I'm using vertical lines. And that basically is going to create layers. Now right here, what I'm doing is I'm cutting her hair horizontally. And I'm using scissor over comb, and it's basically just going to remove weight from her hair. Now this client, she do need a relaxer, so I will relax her hair further into the video. Now the reason why I like to relax the hair, why I like to cut the hair first and then relax the hair, is because when you're going more closer to the regrowth area, you can see the wave pattern more. So I like to cut the hair first and then do a relaxer, and it really helps the hair to have a more smooth, polished, sleek look, especially around your back and your sides. And so right here, what I'm doing, vertical lines, and I am using 90-degree elevation. Also, I'm using a travel guideline. A travel guideline basically moves as the haircut progresses. And so I'm going to do the very exact same thing on the opposite side. And also, guys, I would love if you would hit the subscribe button and also like my videos and show me some love. I would truly appreciate that. And so I'm basically going to do the very exact same thing I did on the opposite side to this section or this side. So what I'm doing right here is I'm getting ready to over direct her hair, and I'm bringing her hair back to my guideline. And so I'm cutting her hair at a 90-degree elevation, vertical lines, just removing that weight. Right here, what I'm doing is I'm basically cutting her hair I'm cutting horizontal lines, and I'm basically removing bulk from the hair. And also, this is my website, and if you need to find out anything from me, you can go to my website. Also, I have Instagram. I have 2 Instagram pages, so I will leave those links down below, and you all can, if you need to find out anything about me, it will be at my Instagrams and also my website. And so I'm doing the very exact same thing on this side. Now what I'm doing is I am cutting her hair I'm kind of slightly over directing her hair because I want to leave length to the front section of her hair. And I'm basically just cross-checking my work, making sure everything is even in the back section of her hair. And basically I'm just cross-checking, going through, just making sure everything is extremely even. Right here, I'm over directing the hair. I'm basically cutting her hair almost like at a 45-degree angle. But I am over directing the hair. Again, I do want to leave length to the front section. So right here, y'all know I'm just going in, point cutting. Point cutting basically just adds a lot of texture and movement into the hair. So right here, I went in and I based her hair. Also, I'm relaxing her hair. I'm using the Nairobi Relaxer. And the base that I chose to use is the haircare relaxer. The haircare base. And I used the Nairobi Relaxer. And so on the top section of her hair, I'm not going to go in and color her hair. I'm not going to go in and relax her hair. I'm basically going to relax just around the back and the side section of her hair. And I'm just going in and I'm smoothing that section just to make sure it's extremely straight. Now at the top section of her hair, I am using a mixture of my shampoo, which is my ultra rich moisturizing shampoo. I use 1 ounce of my moisturizing shampoo, and I use 1 ounce of a 20 volume developer, and also I use 1 ounce of powder lightener. Now, basically, the reason why I added the shampoo into my mixture is because I wanted to create moisture. I wanted to make sure that her hair is being hydrated as I color her hair. In the top section of her hair, she do not get relaxers at the top. I haven't relaxed her hair in a long time, and I just want to go in and decolorize the hair. Now, after I do her color, I go in and we rinse the powder lightener out. I go in and add a hydrating treatment. This is my moisture mask treatment, and this is my intensive repair oil treatment. And this is going to go in and create a lot of moisture strength to her hair. This is going to make sure that she don't have any breakage and just really, really hydrate the hair. And so that's my moisturizing shampoo, my moisturizing conditioner, and my intensive repair oil treatment. I go in and I mix the two together, and I go in before I put her final color in. I go in and treat that section just to make sure that it's hydrated and that she do not receive any breakage. And I've been coloring her hair a very, very long time, and I haven't had any issues with her hair breaking, falling. I don't have those type of issues with my clients' hair because I do a lot of treatments on my clients, and this is one that I absolutely love because it really, really goes in and protects the hair and keep it from falling and helps to strengthen the hair. And as you can see, we're rinsing the treatment out. There's no hair falling. And this is my shampoo. This is my ultra rich and repair moisturizing shampoo, which helps to go in and further penetrate the hair. Also, it's sulfate free, and it adds a lot of luster and moisture to the hair. And it just helps to protect overworked and stressed chemical treated hair. So this shampoo really, really helps to go in and strengthen the hair. And right now what I'm doing is I'm going in coloring her hair. I'm using This is Red Alert. This is by So Color Cult by Matrix. And so I'm going to put this at pretty much at her regrowth area. And then I'm going to use the Orange Alert on the ends of her hair just to give it a little bit of dimension. And I basically went in just to decolorize her hair. And I wanted to take a lot of that blue off her hair. And basically it turned out where her hair was like green. So that's why we chose to use red, because red cancel out green. So we're going to remove all of that green. And I could have went in and removed all of the color, but I just didn't want to chance it and stress her hair out. So basically I'm using the Orange Alert on the ends of her hair. So it's just good to add like a little bit of the same tones, and it just really creates a lot of dimension into the hair versus just putting one color onto the hair. And so now what I'm using is my leave-in conditioner. This conditioner really helps with breakage. It helps to condition the hair. Also, it helps with thermal styling. So when I go in and hot curl her hair is fully protected. I'm going in with the wrap strips, just putting those around her hair because I want it to be just really straight. The wrap strips really help the hair to be smooth and sleek. And so this top section, after I wrap her hair, I just comb that little top section over the wrap strips. And this is my intensive repair oil treatment. I always like to go in and put the oil around the hair lining because it really helps with slow growing hair follicles. It creates and add a lot of vitamins. It has a lot of amino acids in my oil. So I go in and just put it around the hair lining, and I pretty much curl with the oil. And it really helps to add a lot of shine to the hair. So as I style her hair, I just will allow you all to just take a look and just look and learn. And the flat irons that I'm using are by Glam Palms. This is their 0.5 that I'm using right now. But all of the flat irons are pretty much by Glam Palm. This is their Stiletto flat iron. And yeah, this is the Stiletto. This is their smallest iron. And as you can see, the intensive repair oil treatment, it really adds tons of shine. Also, it's really helps to promote hair growth. So it's really going to go in and just really help the hair to be at its best. And again, if you would like the intensive repair oil treatment, any of my hair products, you can go to my website. I will leave the link down below. And just to do a little recap, y'all know we went in and we relaxed the back and sides. The top section of her hair isn't relaxed. Well, I'll say this. I haven't relaxed her hair in a very, very long time. But she used to be relaxed, but because she liked to do a lot of hair coloring, I try not to relax the top section. If she was thinking about doing a relaxer, I would only go in and relax the regrowth area. I wouldn't relax the section where I have color. I just would relax the regrowth area. And also, after, when she comes back into the salon, I always like maybe a week later after I color my client's hair, I always like to go in a week or 2 weeks later and do a protein treatment. And I basically do a protein treatment every 6 weeks. You know, I also tell them to do the hair mask treatment, which is my mask treatment. And it basically, I tell them to do the mask treatment every 2 weeks. So I would do the protein treatment every 6 weeks, and I do my hair mask every 2 weeks. And that really, really helps their hair to stay moisturized, hydrated. They don't have issues with breakage. So it really, really goes in to help the hair a whole lot. So basically, I'm just styling her hair. And I love to do this method where I comb the hair out a little bit just to break up the curls some. And then I like to toss the curls. Her hair was so beautiful when we finished. This is the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go to my website if y'all want to find out anything else about me. And thank you so much for watching.